Hey there, good folks. This is Randy here, and I got something from Toro Genuine Parts. It's a spool, ASM, and a cap spool, and I paid $23.26 for both of them. Now I'm going to see if I got both or I got one, huh? Comes in paper here. Okay, here's my spool. I paid $9.07 for it. And here's the cap. That goes on my Toro 8-inch trimmer. All right. Now, scissors. I'm not sure it's gonna work anyway, so gotta hand it to Toro. They sure know how to. For $23, they better pack it good, huh? Cap spool here. This was the spool ASM. Bit like this. Oh. There we go. Oops. Oh, come on. There we go. Works perfect. Whatever you do, make sure you have an adult 18 or over to repair this, okay? And anybody under 18, make sure you have parents help you, because YouTube wants me to say stuff like that. So that's the way it is. And I hope I get more trimming done. And $23.26, I hope so. Okay, so this is Randy, and see ya.